Right. All right, I'm gonna walk around real quick. So just, and I don't want to tie you up. I hate.
Nah, man, I got all day to do what I gotta do.
Okay, so. Okay, so we got to pay attention to the property line. The property line does not run. It does not run parallel, so the lot size is a little bit shifted. So we got to pay attention to that. This property is on a 1 full acre, except unfortunately the way the lot is, a lot of this is not going to be buildable. It's never going to be able to house houses and build.
This place looks good. Took us about 4 days.
It's a nice looking RV.
We had that U-Haul.
It's,
That's about the property line right there, from what I understand.
yeah, they might have a mess with all that property line stuff.
It's an acre, but like I said, it's deep. It's not. There's no width to it.
No, it's not a very enticing area. I
Yeah,
mean, acre,
right.
you know. Now, like people think, they think an acre means you just got all this tons of land, but
Big old square chunk of land, yeah.
but that's not the way it is. Okay. So the main house is over right at 2,000 square feet. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. But as you'll see in the pictures, it's really in bad shape. It needs just about to be torn down. It does have a metal roof, but it has lots of leaks. And this is a separate little building, and fortunately this lot is zoned multifamily, and this is a separate little dwelling. And I'm not going to walk you in the main house, but I will show you this little building real quick. This is something most people never get to see. This is a reality for a lot of people, unfortunately. And this poor guy and family has no active power or water. That's just nuts. I mean, absolutely nuts. And of course, I mean, this is a total teardown. So, this is one of the dwellings which basically has zero value in my opinion. Oh, sorry. So, and you can see how close we are to lots of new construction. I mean, this is a very popular area of town. Neighbors have a really nice fence. Okay. Well, shoot. That's really all I need today. I mean, that gives me everything I need to get back with them and give them some reports, and hope to God they listen.
Let them know that I'll do anything.
Well, trust me, I'll do everything in my power to help you. I mean, unfortunately, it ain't much. I got zero say-so in these matters, but I'll at least do. I mean, I'm hoping they'll work with Sam on the offer. That would make the most sense, I think. If he could do something with you, I mean,
If I could have only known that they would send the check back to him, and he never give me the money back, carrying on like that was.
well,
And then by the time I found out, too late.
trust me, that happens quite often. I mean,
I know he didn't do it to be mean or nothing like that. I don't know if it was Alzheimer's or I don't know.
I'll show everybody your raccoon skin.
Yeah.
Gonna make him a hat.
I wish you'd seen the one I had hanging up in the wall in my room. Come out really good. I mean, it got the head and everything. I put eyes in it.